I am joined in studio today with Horumela Investments CEO Abongile Mdingi to discuss the company's aims of exploring and developing project sites in the Namaqualand region of the Northern Cape. Abongile, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Just provide us some insights into the projects that you have and where they are currently in terms of the base metal projects that you have.
Oh, okay. We as Horomela, we have quite a few tenements or slash properties in the Northern Cape, Namaqualand area. We have currently now about 10 tenements properties, which are very highly prospective in zinc. Those properties, about 4 of them, they're actually awaiting what you would see, what you'd call in the mining sense, a granting from the DMR, Department of Mineral Resources. And then the other 5, we're still doing consultations, and we're going to go on and do some environmental management plans on them. So that's where we're at now on those tenements.
And what is the long-term vision that you have for the company? You have quite ambitious goals from what I understand.
Look, yes, definitely. Look, with the tenements that we have, first of all, I must just add that we believe that based on our historical data, technical data, there's a potential to get an ore reserve source of about more than 4 times as much Gamsberg as produced when it is drilled. So that is very huge, and we've surrounded the area strategically so that we can achieve those goals. And you know, our long-term view of Horomela long-term goals is that we want to actually be the owners and managers of producing mines. So we're not only here to just develop it, move it up the value curve, and maybe ship it off to the major. We want to be there with the major, with the potential partner, so that we can realize the dream to be the first 100% black-owned company that can actually have base metal mines in Africa.
Excellent. Thank you very much. That was Horumela Investments CEO Abongile Mdingi discussing the company's operational developments.